and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be diving deep into one of the most promising warehousing and manufacturing hubs in Hyderabad. Have you ever wondered where the city's significant portion of the manufacturing and industrial transactions takes place? Welcome to Medchal Cluster. The Medchal Cluster isn't just any region of Hyderabad. It is the heart of over 70% of the city's logistical and manufacturing transactions. The cluster covers over 10 smaller areas like Manoharabad, Yelampet, Shamarpet, etc. A hub that's bustling with activity, innovation and growth. And today we are going to be exploring a standout project in this region. Today we are going to showcase you a warehouse that is spread across a sprawling 9 acres. This warehouse boasts a chargeable area of whopping 2 lakh square feet. Come, let me show you around the place. This is the main entrance. The place that I'm standing right now is called a dock apron, which is approximately 90 feet. And these that you see are called the rolling shutters. And these things that you see under these shutters are called a dock levelers. So this is a dock leveler. This can be adjustable as per your vehicle's height for loading and unloading. You get 10 of those and you also get 28 rolling shutters. This is the fire hydrant and this is the fire hose for any fire emergency, and you get multiple of these in the facility. This is called a ramp and it is used for vehicles to have direct access inside the warehouse. This is the main entrance of the warehouse. Come, let me show you around. This is the 2 lakh square feet warehouse, and it's not just the size that's impressive. The design and the infrastructure is meticulously planned to ensure maximum efficiency. With a side, ridge and a clear height of 40 feet and a center height of 45 feet reaching, this warehouse is designed to accommodate a vast range of storage needs. Behind me is the clear height of 40 feet and the center height is of 45 feet. And you get washrooms in every corner of the warehouse. So this thing you see behind me is called a transparent sheet, and this helps in bring a lot of sunlight during the day to save a lot of energy. And as you can see, the whole warehouse is lit. And this here is called the ridge, used for ventilation. So the red pipes you see is called the fire hydrant and the thinner red pipes you see is called the fire sprinklers to ensure maximum safety. There are 13 emergency exits in the facility, meaning in case of any emergency, the employees can have access to multiple exit points. The place that I'm standing right now is called the mezzanine floor. You can have your office set up in here and you can have the overlook of the entire warehouse from here. This warehouse is located in Manoharabad of Medchal Cluster and is on the NH44 highway that connects to the Nagpur and is also closer to the outer ring road. But what truly sets this warehouse apart is its great location amidst some of the biggest names in the industry. Just to give you an idea, it's in close proximity to the Hindustan Coca-Cola manufacturing plant. Global Aluminium Private Limited has its manufacturing plant nearby. V-Guard, a name synonymous with quality, is also in the vicinity. ITC's food division, a giant in the food industry, is just around the corner. Paperboard manufacturing plant, NSL Seeds Processing Unit, Sudhakar PVC Products Manufacturing Unit, and the list goes on. In conclusion, with real estate infrastructure booming in Hyderabad, if you're looking out for a space that promises growth, efficiency and smart location, then warehouse in Medchal Cluster is where your search ends. Thank you for joining us today and stay tuned for more insights in the world of real estate and its opportunities.